Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start the next topic, that is the compilers and the interpreters. Compilers and interpreters are the translators, softwares that we are using for translate the source programs into the object programs. Clear? It basically translate the entire programs, means the whole programs into an object program before executions of by computers. Through compilers you can run the program fastly. This is the diagram. Look, high level languages like C, compiler compile it, and if they have any errors they mention it. We will recover the errors, correct it. After correcting, the compilers convert the high level language into low level language, means C program, the source programs, to the object programs, that is the binary language. Clear? The next one is interpreters. Interpreters is other translators who translate the source program into object programs. It translates the programs line by line. Clear? Determine what is mean. It is the execute. Each time statement is read. Clear? Compilers read the whole programs, but interpreters translate it line by lines. Obviously, when it will be translate line by line, it requires time. Look, this is the diagram. Source program, interpreters, object programs. If they have any error, interpreter correct it and then convert into the object programs. Clear? The next is programming environment. Programming environments is a set of processes and programming tools used to develop the computer programs. Clear? In the past, programmers used different tools separately. This one was time-taking and difficult to manage. Means programmers develop the writing the language in another pattern, in other modules, and they have their other modules. When these modules are interconnected with each other, then compile it, and after compiling they move to another department, that is the error reduction department, where they detect the errors, and then move the next department where they correct the errors, and then convert the programs into the object programs. So all these procedures require a time, but later on, due to the innovation in the technology, they have developed the environment of the programming in which all these features has in one environment. Clear? So that is why programmers use integrated development environments. Okay? Means integrate all the tools in one place. So what is IDE? Integrated Development Environment. IDE is computer software that brings all the process and tool required for programs development into one place. Clear? The aim of the IDE: to make the life of programmer easier by grouping together all tasks needed for building applications into one environment. Clear? Means all the features that you people will learn later in C, at one place. The C language IDE. Clear? IDE is the application package that consists of text editor. Text editor is the like a MS Word part, compilers, linkers, loader, and then debuggers. Clear? Means IDE, the C language IDE integrated development environment consists of 5 parts, the 5 different tools, modules at one place. Means all these modules, all these units you have find in only one place in C language. Text editors, compilers, linker, loader, and debuggers. The first one is the text editor with a graphic user interface. Clear? So the first one is the text editor. A text editor is a simple word processor that is used to create and edit source code of the program. Look the diagram. This is the environment of the C, and this is the place where you can write the source code. Source code means the code of the language. At this place you will write it. Clear? Dua is familiar with this screen because she has downloaded the C language softwares. And the next one is the compilers. You know, it translates entire programs into object before executions by computers. It detects the syntax errors in the source programs and give hints to the programmer to correct them. Clear? When we compile it, in the next lecture you will know how the errors will recover it and how the syntax error will be detected by compilers and how we will get the hints to correct them. Okay? So a compilers will only create object programs if all the syntax errors in programs have been corrected, if they existed. Clear? If they have any errors, then we correct it, and after correcting, the compilers convert into the object programs, and then the program will be run, otherwise not. In C language, the extension is .c. Note down it, girls. In C language, the extension is .c. Like the extension of Word .doc, the extension of PowerPoint.ppt. In the same case, the extension of the C is the .c. Look, the example, first program .c. Clear? After compilations, the object program extension will be .obj. Okay? First, you will save it like this. When it comes after compilations, the extension automatically change, and that will be .obj. Clear? Note down it, these extensions. This extension after the execution of the programs, and this is when you have created at the first time. Clear? And the next one is the second type is, third one is linker. Linker is a software that translates object programs into a single executable programs. Clear? Basically, this is develop a link between the object programs and execution programs. During this process, if it could be find the definition of particular functions that is used in the programs, then it assumes that it is defined in C library. Means if they have in the C library, just take it and perform their actions and will send it back. It will replace this function in the object programs with the code from C library, automatically do it, and then create a single execution programs. The next one is loader. It is the software that load programs into memory and then execute it. ठीक है? Debuggers. Debugger is a software that executes the programs line by line, examine the values, store in variables, and help in finding and removing errors in programs. This is the basic purpose of the debuggers. But what is the debugger? Debugger is the software that remove and find the errors in programs. This is the definitions of it. Okay, and this is the function of it. Execute the programs line by line, examine the value, store in variables, and help in finding and removing errors in programs. Clear, girls?